Welcome to the Account Creation Training Module. In this session, we will cover how to access the iVerify Insurance site, show you how to set up your account, and access the agreements between your agency and iVerify Insurance. You access the site via https://iverifyinsurance.com. From here, you click on Create Account and select Agency. This will bring you into the area where you can put in your account information. You must be a current licensed agent within the state to use iVerify Insurance. Put in your producer license number and the state. Then please put in your email address, the one that you would like the system to use to correspond with you to receive alerts and notifications. Then you'll need a username for the system. Your password now needs to be 8 characters containing 1 capital letter and 1 number. Please make it different from your username. And then confirm it. We next need a security question answered. You may scroll down and select from any of the number security questions. This will help us in determining your user code or password should they be lost. In fact, this is a good time right now to stop and write down your username and your password. Record those because you will certainly need them to access all of the wonderful things that iVerify has to offer. Next, we'll need account details that go along with that producer number. And a phone number. And if you would please, we'd like a different phone number to be able to get a hold of you. Then simply click Next. If there are any problems on the screen, they will show up in red, but if you've filled in everything appropriately, it will now bring you to the company information screen, and here's where you put in your agency information, your address for the agency, and a valid zip code because it will validate and verify your number. And once again, a phone number that the agency can be reached at, and a company email. Once you have that information complete, you simply click Next. This will bring us into the area that will allow you access to the agreements. These agreements are necessary due to the nature of the insurance compliant and for the success of the program. There are things you must do within the system in order for it to work appropriately, such as entering information accurately and to enter cancellation or changes within 5 working days. If you haven't read the agreements before, no problem. We have a link right here for you and it will open. So simply click on the link, open another window, and bring you to that page. Once you are in that page, you can read through. You can also use your browser's print if that is how you would like to access the various different contracts. Once you have completed those, you can close that contract out. Once you have read through each of the agreements, you simply come back and check each one, as well as view the how this works. Then you will need to type the text in for the CAPTCHA that you see there. Of course, we want to make sure that you are a real person. And then click Next. What's going to happen now is that your agency will be in the process of being vetted by iVerify Insurance. We need to verify your information with the state. And if all is in order, you will receive an email regarding your status in the process. Should you have any questions at any time through this process, please feel free to call us or send an email to admin@iverifyinsurance.com. We appreciate you considering working with iVerify Insurance and allowing your clients the ability to track and verify insurance information without the hassle of handling individual certificates of insurance. iVerify Insurance. Innovative value at an old-fashioned price.